Hi, I'm Omri Green, the COO of Purest Foods. Purest Foods is a direct-to-consumer, ready-to-eat, flash-frozen meal business, and we are a startup. And there was really absolutely no one I could think of starting this off with in consultation with, and that's Sabir. And Sabir and Growth by Sabir has been absolutely instrumental in helping us get launched and helping us strategize and figure out what our digital marketing roadmap looks like. And so we engaged Sabir really to cover three preliminary items as we were launching and while we were doing our branding and our seed raise. Essentially, he engaged us and we engaged with him on the framework for the digital marketing plan, which included budgets and various digital insights that we had really no clue, and that's with competitors and just industry knowledge that he's very knowledgeable about. We also had him engage and help oversee our new website build at purestfoods.com. Sabir's knowledge of websites and the intricacies behind them is incredible. It's definitely not my forte, and we were definitely glad to have him on our side for that. And finally, this was completely from Sabir's heart. He launched a temporary pre-launch site for us that was incredible and helped us raise a ton of money, a ton of funds, and test all of our systems. Sabir's amazing, and I highly recommend Growth by Sabir, and we will continue to use him moving forward as we scale. Thank you, Sabir.